This is the Honda This is the Honda Prelude, and it is displayed at Honda Molina, Cavite. So, beautiful it is. Really smooth. Only two door. Wow, it's gorgeous. The exterior, very nice interior.